a couple hundred drones. I don't know if
Yeah.
that's going to work
Cracking
out.
each other.
But yeah.
Yeah, so police and 14 other local and federal agencies are going to have these drones in the sky over Coachella to keep an eye out for, the crowd because of the Vegas shooting and, like something that big. I mean, how do you police that kind of thing?
Right.
Yeah, so they're just going to be watching the perimeters.
That's cool.
Yeah, because it says it takes a few minutes to get an officer to a perimeter breach, but a drone takes 45 seconds.
I gotta bet you're gonna see a lot more barriers and stuff this year.
And they can also allow, more monitoring of traffic than they have before and stuff like that.
I wonder if the drones are armed with anything.
Yeah, missiles.
It's like,
I would think
but if it just flies over to an area of
Tear
something
gas.
that's happening, then what happens?
Well, I guess they can see what's going on.
report back to give a visual.
Yeah. So if you're going to Coachella, you may see some drones in the sky this weekend for security. That's your round of canoes.
Clockwork Universe. The Woody Show.
Any big weekend plans, Rave? You're not going to Coachella, right?
Oh, no. This weekend, I'm going to be lasers on the couch.
Nice.